Good morning, children. Let us discuss the different applications of information technology. So, we have discussed about different applications of information technology in the last class. So, one more application is left, that is, application of information technology in healthcare. That is, in the medical field, what are the applications of information technology? So, information and communication technology is used in health sectors in numerous ways. In hospital management system, that is for maintaining the records of our hospital, that is which patient has been discharged or which all doctors are present in the hospital and what is the salary given to the hospital and such things. All the records or all the details regarding the hospital is maintained by a software called hospital management system. So it is an example of application of IT in the field of hospital. The computerized machines are used for ECG, EEG, ultrasound and CT scan. So all these computerized machines are an application of information and communication technology. You can see these machines which are used for scanning purpose are an application of information and technology. The variety of measuring instruments and surgical equipments are used to monitor patients' condition during complex surgery. Expert system is used for diagnosis. Healthcare manufacturing companies use computerized products for diagnosing the patients. So healthcare manufacture companies use computers to aid the production of diagnostic tools and instruments. That is for producing producing medical equipments. The healthcare manufacturers are using computers to solve their work easily. Computers are an integral part of laboratories and dispensaries. They are used in scanning and diagnosing different diseases. So let us see what are the use of information and communication technology in diagnosis. With the advancements in computer hardware and software technology, various high-tech machines are used in diagnosis and treatment of critical disease. Using expert system, diseases can be diagnosed at the early stage and the patients can be given treatment accordingly. That is, doctors can easily recognize whether a patient is suffering from which all diseases, and at the early stage itself it can be cured. Some of these machines are some machines which can be used for diagnosis purpose are computerized axial tax tomography machine, computerized axial tomography machine or CAT. This machine, using this machine, three-dimensional images of different parts of the body can be made. These images are helpful in the diagnosis of diseases. So using the machine CAT, computerized axial tomography machine, we can view the three-dimensional image of the different parts of the body. So by rotating the image itself, we can see the different parts of the body. So a three-dimensional view of the body parts can be obtained through CAT, that is computerized axial tomography machine. Then the next type is MRI, that is magnetic resonance imaging machine. So MRI machines are used to give the digital impression of internal organs of the body by using strong magnetic fields and radio waves. The digital images are very helpful in the detection and in deciding the treatment of diseases. So our internal body parts can be scanned or viewed by using magnetic resonance imaging machine, and it produces a digital printout of the scan. So the doctors can view the internal body parts in the form of a digital image, and this helps in getting the helps the doctors to identify the diseases the patients are suffering and can provide treatments accordingly. The next one is the electrocardiogram or our ECG machine. So the ECG machine is used to monitor the heartbeat when the heart pumps blood to different parts of the body. Some electrical impulses are produced. This machine records the electrical impulses and shows it in the form of a graph. So, the ECG machine records the impulses and it is shown in the form of a graph like this. It is an application of information and communication technology, that is, it is a computer aided device. So, we can use ECG, that is electrocardiogram machine, in the medical field, which is an application of information technology which monitor the heartbeat of a patient. Then next one is cardiac screening machine. So this machine displays the physiology of the heart and it displays the movements inside the heart. Through this machine, it is possible to diagnose problems of the heart such as thinning of veins and then recommend treatment. So, cardiac screening machines are used to view the functioning of the inside of the heart. That is, any problem is present in the heart, that is like thinning of the veins in the heart. So, the internal part of the heart can be viewed by using cardiac screening machine. Then next one, this is the cardiac screening machine. The next one is electroencephalography machine, that is machine. The machine is used to record the activities of the brain. The small electrical probes attached to the head receives the electrical impulses of the brain. So these are the probes that are attached to the brain. So you can see small button like things that are attached to our brain and that receives the impulses from the brain. Electrical impulses of the brain and displays them on the computer screen. This device can retrieve the data in both states where a patient is awake or asleep. So, doctors can use EEG machine to check the functioning of the brain, whether there is any tumor or any problem related to brain. EEG machine can be used. Then most commonly used machines are blood sugar testing machines and blood pressure measuring machine. Now all these machines are available. Digital machines are available. So blood sugar testing machine, this device analyzes a sample of blood and determines the blood glucose level. Then blood pressure measuring machine. This device, which is worn as a wristband, can measure the blood pressure of a person. So this is the blood pressure measuring machine. So we have studied about different applications of information technology in different fields. Next topic is IT in the government and public services. What are the applications of information technology in the government and public services? Now, the government uses large-scale computer applications in its daily operations and is actively encouraging e-governance practices. That is, e-governance means the services provided by government with the help of computers. Digital India and e-governance initiative of Government of India are best examples of this. Government and non-government organizations, NGOs, as well as international government agencies use information and communication technology applications to communicate and provide various services to the people and is called as e-governance. Various official web portals of Government of India for e-governance. There are various advantages of e-governance. The income tax department, sales tax department, preparations of voters list, preparation of PAN card makes use of computer system. So all these details of different people are stored in the computer database. Many government services are available online. Electricity bills can now be paid online. The government uses electronic voting for elections by replacing the traditional voting slip and ballot box. People can enroll themselves in the electoral roll through the State Election Commission portal. So portals are websites. Computers are commonplace in modern society and tend to make previously laborious manual task of data entry much simple and quicker. In olden days, much more labors were required for such tasks. Now, since computers do their task, much laborious task, that is manual task, human beings performed such tasks were now being performed by computers, and these tasks has become much simpler and quicker. That is, within a few minutes our task is being completed. Okay, thank you children.